Kung OFW ka, kanus ang perfect time mo mupalit og property for investing. Actually, the best time na mupalit og property was 5 years ago for you. So, atong 2017, kung nipalit ka itong property, nasiguro kayo napalit itong $500,000 to $1,000,000 pesos. Karon ang worth na around 2 million. Pero karon ang presyo sa property karon will be as low as 1.2 to 2 million. And kada tuig magsigip na siya saka. Okay? Sumala sa Philippine Statistics Authority, ang national property market ni saka og 8% to 10% kada tuig. So kada to 2017. Di na ginato na mabalik ang presyo sa una, pero napatay chance karon sa real estate investing. Bisag taas pa kayong presyo karon, kini ang kinahanglan mo buhaton para mo-succeed ka sa real estate investing. Number 1, always set a budget. Tanawa pilang imong ma-afford karon ug ayaw pagulat na moabot ang perfect time. The second best time to invest is now. Second, look for pre-selling properties. Pre-selling properties mas barato pa compared sa ready for occupancy. This is a great way to save ug ma-appeal ka sa pagsaka sa value in the future. And third, always work with trusted developer or agent. Siguraduhin nato nga atong ginvestan sa property legit, accredited, or nanay track record, or napoy license. Kaya ang trusted developer and agent can guide you in finding the best deals for you. Kung ganang ka makato ng real estate investing, check the link in my bio or follow me for more.